Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to receive or request money from Cash App. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to download Cash App on our App Store. So all we need to do then is to go to our App Store and make sure that we do have a downloaded Cash App. So once everything is downloaded, we can go ahead and log into our Cash App. So once we are here on our Cash App account, the very first thing that we are going to do is to click the dollar icon. So this one. And right after that, we will be routed on this screen wherein we can input the amount that we wish to request. So just like for example, I'm going to input here $5. So once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click request. So once we click request, we will be routed on this part wherein we need to input the name of the person that we will be requesting for funds and the reason as to our request. So just like for example, we will be scanning in the name of that particular person, and we will just be writing in a fund request for our purpose. So once everything is set, then we will be routed on this part wherein we are going to confirm the contact details. And right after that, we're just going to click request. So once done, we will be routed on this part wherein all we need to do is to click done. So technically, the request is now being processed. So we're going to click done. And if we wish that we want to monitor the progress of our request, all we need to do then is to click the bottom right icon so that we will be routed on the activity status. And basically, once we are here on the activity status, we can see here the different transactions. So if you notice, we have here the pending. So that means that our request for $5 is not yet available. So once this will be available, so technically it will go directly to completed transaction. So there you have it. That's how we are going to request or receive funds from Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.